Hi guys, this is Andrew from Wowparts. Today, I'm going to be exploring the differences between using a smart soil moisture meter versus a traditional moisture meter. What are the pros and cons of each, and which one is better to use for your garden? For this video, I'm going to be using these three products for demonstration. The Plantron Afra Indoor and the Plantron Afra 2 Outdoor, both by linkstyle.life, as well as the Wowparts Soil Moisture Tester. Let's get into it. First things first, the most obvious difference between a smart soil sensor and a traditional soil sensor is that you need an app to use the smart soil sensor. Smart soil sensors are able to connect to your phone wirelessly, enabling you to read the soil's moisture on your phone. Traditional soil sensors do not have a companion app and are, in a sense, a standalone product. One of the cool things about smart soil sensors is their remote access function. Thanks to the linkstyle app, I'm able to keep tabs on my plants remotely using my smartphone. I don't have to walk up directly to the sensor each time I want to look at the moisture readings. Smart soil sensors commonly connect to your smartphone either via Bluetooth or via Wi-Fi. The linkstyle Nexa Hub connects the Afra and Afra 2 Outdoor to your app via Wi-Fi, enabling you to access your sensor from anywhere in the world. For traditional soil sensors, you'll need to look at the device itself to see the readings. One of the key features of smart soil sensors are their ability to integrate into networks, allowing you to set up automation. For example, I can connect this Afra 2 Outdoor soil sensor as well as a Hydrogen smart water timer to the Nexa Hub. With all of them on the same network, I can now use the linkstyle app to set up automations. For example, when the moisture level in the soil dips below 30%, the Afra 2 Outdoor will let the Hydrogen know that it's time to water your plants, and the sprinklers will start automatically. This way, you can truly set up an automated smart garden, saving you time and giving you peace of mind. A traditional soil sensor is just that, a soil sensor. You can get readings on moisture levels, but since it's not connected to any networks, you can't link it up to any other devices and set up automations. One advantage of the traditional soil sensor is that it has an LED screen. The LED crystal display is easy to read, allowing you to get accurate moisture readings at a glance, and it's backlit, which means you can see it in the dark. For those who don't want to deal with downloading apps, or anyone who might be technologically challenged, a traditional soil sensor is definitely more intuitive and easier to use. The smart soil sensors do not have an LED screen, since all the readings are sent to the companion app. While product specifications will vary from device to device, I'll give you a quick overview of the specs of these three moisture meters, just to give you an idea of some of the differences between smart and traditional soil meters. For this traditional soil meter, it takes about 10 seconds to get results to show up on the screen. For the smart soil sensors, it takes about 20 to 45 seconds for the data on your app to refresh. This Wowparts traditional soil meter is 5-in-1. It can read luminance, also known as the sunlight, ambient light that your plants are getting, soil moisture, temperature, the pH value, and ambient humidity. The smart soil sensor will only give you information on moisture and temperature. And this one adds on luminance, which is still less features than the traditional soil sensor. Here's a comparison on price. The traditional one runs at around $10.99 MSRP, while this Afra Indoor is $39.99 for the sensor only and $69.99 with the hub. And the Outdoor is $39.99 for the sensor itself and $49.99 when bundled with the hub. I hope this video helped you learn more about the differences between smart soil moisture meters and traditional soil moisture meters. They each have their pros and cons and can definitely help you in your gardening endeavors. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook for the latest updates on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.